Question 1. Name the respiratory enzyme complex which are involved in electron transportation. There are total 4 respiratory enzyme complex. Answer 1. NADH-Q reductase, 2. Succinate Q reductase, 3. Coenzyme Q cytochrome C reductase, and 4. Cytochrome C oxidase. Question 2. Which prosthetic group contain respiratory enzyme complex? Answer: flavin, heme, FES center, and copper. Question 3. Oxidation of NADH and FADH2 is used for formation of. Answer: ATP. Question 4. Which enzyme complex require flavin mononucleotide prosthetic group? Answer: NADH-Q reductase complex 1. Question 5. In coenzyme Q, Q refers to quinone chemical group. Question 6. Which enzyme is integral component of complex 3? Answer: succinate dehydrogenase is an integral component of complex 3. Question 7. Which protein gives the signal for activation of intrinsic pathway of apoptosis? Cytochrome C. Cytochrome C is a present on peripheral membrane protein. Question 8. Cytochrome C found in aerobic organism. Question 9. Which inhibitor transfer of electron through complex 1? Answer: retinol. Retinol is a plant product, also is a fish poison and act as an insecticide. Question 10. Which inhibitor inhibit the terminal transfer of electron to oxygen in complex 4? Answer: cyanide, azide, and carbon monoxide. Question 11. Which enzyme is required for synthesis of ATP? Answer: ATP synthase is located in inner mitochondrial membrane. Question 12. Who gave the chemiosmotic theory? Answer: Peter Mitchell. Question 13. Which antibiotic block ATP synthesis? Answer: oligomycin. 14. Which amino acid present in F0 component? Aspartic acid. 15. How many H plus ion required for synthesis of 1 ATP? Answer: 3 H plus ion required for synthesis of 1 ATP. Question 16. What is ionophores? Answer: it is a lipophilic molecules that bind with specific cation and facilitate their transport through membrane. 17. Example of ionophore: valinomycin. Valinomycin which make inner mitochondrial membrane permeable for K plus ion. 18. The major function of oxidative phosphorylation is to generate ATP. 19. Which transfer protein required for transport of ATP and ADP into inner mitochondrial membrane? Answer: ATP and ADP translocase. 20. ATP-ADP translocase inhibited by. Answer: atraldeoside. 21. Malate aspartate shuttle system is used for transportation of NADH from cytoplasm into mitochondrial matrix. 22. Example of uncoupling agent. Answer: 2,4-dinitrophenol dicumarole. Uncoupling agents do not permit ATP synthesis. 23. ATP synthesis generated by which subunit of rotation? Gamma subunit. 24. Which physiological uncoupler found in brown adipose tissue? Thermogenin. It functions to generate body heat. 25. Which are the mobile electron carrier in electron transport chain? Answer: coenzyme Q and cytochrome C. 26. Which antibiotic inhibit oxidation of malate synthesis? Answer: antimycin A.